Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a review of this gorgeous handbag by YSL. I'll be sharing what's in my bag, and I'll also be sharing some mod shots so you can see what this bag looks like on, over the shoulder, or as a crossbody bag. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. So this is probably one of my favorite bags. I do love bags. As you know, if you watch my channel, this one has a special place in my heart. This is the YSL Lou Medium camera bag, and it has the most beautiful soft leather. I love just how elegant and sophisticated and classy this bag is. It's simple yet chic, and I absolutely love everything about it. Now, because it's YSL, it is a luxury bag with a luxury price tag, and I want to say I paid $1,690 for this bag. It can be worn, as I mentioned, over the shoulder or crossbody, and it's just the most beautiful, elegant, sophisticated bag. I feel like you can wear this with jeans and a t-shirt and it works so well, or you could wear it with a black dress and just look super chic and elegant. So super versatile bag. I would love this in a black bag with the black hardware as well. I may pick that up at some point. But for right now, I feel like this color, which is dark beige, is the perfect shade for every day, and it goes with absolutely everything. This to me is a spring summer bag as well as a fall and winter bag as well. So year-round bag for me, definitely versatile and beautiful. Let's show the hardware. Beautiful, right? So pretty. And I love the stitching. It just adds something extra. On this side, it does come with the pocket, and that's convenient. I usually will put something I need quick access to, usually some gum or mints in there. And then I really love just the zipper pull. It's just a leather zipper pull, and the zip is very smooth and buttery. So the dimensions of this bag are 9.8 inches in the width of this bag, 9.8, and then it is 6.3 inches in the height of this bag, and then 2.5 inches deep. So good size bag. It is definitely your essentials bag kind of bag. If you like to carry a ton of things, this isn't the bag for you, but it isn't a mini bag. I mean, you really can fit your things in here. And I feel like it's definitely the perfect size for running errands, going pretty much anywhere. Now, if I'm taking my kids, I'm gonna need a bigger bag, but for just myself, this is ideal. I love this bag so much. And this dark beige, like I said, is just stunning. I love this gorgeous hardware. It's super elegant and pretty. And it's just, I don't know, what else can I say? I love this bag, if you can't tell. So inside, I always carry my sunglasses. This is my Ray-Ban case. I like this because it's malleable. It's squishy, and so it can kind of form in your bag without being so difficult to stuff in there, but it still protects your sunglasses. So I love this case. And then this is my Christian Dior. It is one of my favorite hand lotions. It smells divine, and I just love how it opens. I love how it looks. And it just, the packaging is beautiful, as with all Christian Dior products, in my opinion. So I also have a face powder. This is my Gucci face powder, one of my favorites. I like to carry this with me just for little touch-ups if I get a little shiny. So this is what I usually will carry. And then I have my Louis Vuitton. This is my Clements wallet, and this is the monogram print by Louis Vuitton. Gorgeous wallet. Love that it's a full-size wallet and it still fits, and there's loads more room besides. So really love that it fits my full-size wallet. And then I have my little Coach pouch that kind of matches. And inside my Coach pouch, I have my Fenty Beauty Ice lip gloss, so pretty and shiny. I also have a MAC lipstick. This is in the shade Hug Me. Let's see what that looks like. Ugh, it's the perfect shade for fall, don't you think? It is so creamy. Look at that. Beautiful. Yes, please. So that is Hug Me by MAC. And then I also have another lipstick. This is by Chantecaille, and the packaging, you guys, isn't it beautiful? Has an elephant and then Chantecaille, beautiful. And then another fall shade. This is Tambodi, and gorgeous. Let me show you what that one looks like. If you're a makeup lover like I am, it is a beautiful nude, perfect for fall. So I have those in there. And then I also have this really great, isn't that beautiful, you guys? This is what I use for my touch-up mirror. I just think it's so beautiful. The packaging is stellar. And so it has my eyeshadows, but I usually use it for the mirror, which I'm not going to blind you with right now. But I usually will take this with me for the mirror, and I'll go ahead and touch up my face powder or my lipstick using this pretty mirror. It's just fun to pull out. It's beautiful. So then we have in this kind of side pocket that I have my gum, which is always something I always carry gum with me. I love this kind, and I got this off Amazon, I believe, in the little individual packets. It's just nice to be able to just grab a piece and go. So that was everything that fit in my bag. So the inside has a nice size pocket, very, very nice. And then, of course, it has the most beautiful lining. And I don't know if you can see it, but it does say, oh, can you see it? It's a Saint Laurent and Paris, and absolutely beautiful. It does say on here, made in Italy. So love that this luxury bag is just amazing. It is practical, but beautiful, and it's definitely one of my favorite bags. I absolutely will use it for many, many years to come. I cannot imagine not owning this bag. Like I said, I wouldn't mind adding a black one to my collection at some point, but for now, this is my every season bag, and I'm loving it so much. Let me show you what it looks like on so you can see some mod shots. Okay, so for reference, I am 5'10", and that is what this bag looks like on. Like I said, you can wear it super casual like I am today, or you can dress it up with a little black dress and look super sophisticated and elegant. I just love this bag. The strap is adjustable, which is ideal, and it's just beautiful. So then crossbody. So nice, you guys. Love this bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and what's in my bag video. If you did, don't forget to like it, and I'd love it so much if you would subscribe so I can see you in my next video. And until next time, bye guys.